everyone, and welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Laurie. Today we are going to talk about permanent color topping and what that is and what that means and how you would use that. We've had a lot of questions over the last few weeks since our Buttons in Season CD came out, which I wanted to share with you. First of all, we have got these wonderful, all these designs that you see here come on this CD right here. It's called Buttons Always in Season, and as you can see, there's a winter and a fall, a spring and a summer season, and these are really clever designs. I love this. I teach What's Your Superpower. This is so fun. And this one right here, it's up to snow good with these little buttons right inside the pocket of the truck. So this is a wonderful set of designs. You're going to love that. Hopefully you'll get these. This is a great set for teachers, for saying thank you, for all kinds of nice things that you can do for people. I know that we've had some people call in and they've been wondering, what can I do to help thank my teachers at the end of the year because we aren't going to see them, but I'd like to send them something. So this is a really great one. I just love this one that I teach, What's Your Superpower? That's a great one to give as a gift. So also, as you notice, these come with the buttons. So there's the summer collection button, there's a spring collection, an autumn, and a cozy winter. And I wanted to show you a trick on how to, I'm going to just use this cozy winter because it's open and it's still attached to the card. I just wanted to show you how to pull these off without breaking any of your buttons. We've had a few people that they come and they lift and they pry their button off. You actually want to bend the card and then get a good finger on the back side of the button, and then when you pull it off, there's no issues, you don't have any problems. So that's how I would recommend taking your buttons off of your cards. That's just a button thing, and I love these buttons. These buttons can be purchased separately, as well as our new tea towels. And I'm going to focus on Are We There Yet? Isn't that so cute? I love this. I love these sayings. So Are We There Yet? I want you to notice right up close here that the window right there has that permanent topping underneath. It's a permanent color topping. We've used white, and I want to show you a little demonstration. You can stay right there, and I'm going to show you a little demonstration right here. This right here is the permanent topping that we're talking about. It's flimsy, it feels really thin. It almost feels like one of those plastic tablecloths, but I've put it behind part of the window and part of it not. And as you can see, what it does is it helps, if you're using white and you're using a white thread, it helps solidify that white thread with the decorative stitch without your other color popping through. So if you can see on this side, you can see where there's bits of red popping through. And if you see on this side, it's just solid white. So the purpose of this is just to enhance and make sure that this decorative stitching is a solid color and there's no pink hues or anything like that. Now, once it's stitched, it's very easy you to simply rip it away and it's gone from your project. And the rest of it stays in there in your project, and it's great. So a lot of people have been wondering, what is this called? Well, it comes under several different brands. There's Color Keep, there's Top Cover, there's Stabilize It, and there's other brands out there as well that you can also find. But it's a permanent color topping, and it does come in red, black, gray, lots of different colors. And that's just something that we like to use especially when you're doing something like the windows on these trucks, where this is such a dark blue, you can see some of the blue hue through. So if you use the permanent topping, it just keeps that nice and white and you don't see the color through. So as you can see, you can use this permanent color topping in many circumstances. I hope this answered several of your questions today about what is this. It's not a mystery to you anymore, but you can find that in your local quilt shop or craft stores. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.